L-I-O-C-D-U. You don't have to front, baby, because my love is clean. That's right, I clean it every day.
The creeper's here, I'm creeping on you, sleeping on while I'm peeping on you. My loneliness gets the best of me, that's why I don't ever miss the money. My skinny jeans and my Jordan Airs, they cover up as I play it fair to get higher up as I play in there. Don't let me fall as I grab your hair. We fall together, don't fall in love. I fall for kisses and wish for hugs. Just wrap me up in your Spanish accent. Something wrong with my Spanish love. I'm getting in from the strip club, you getting in from work late. The only thing missing at this point is you actually in love with me. Just tell me you love me, even though I don't wanna hear it, but I want you to, cause I want it to. Tell myself I'm in love with you. What's love really mean though? 4 letters that we cling to, in hopes that the dreams are true. But how is it, girl, when I dream of you? You bitch.
You don't have to front, baby, because my love is clean. That's right, I clean it every day. Can't escape it, even when I close my eyes, I see your face and I taste the chasers. Now my pulse is racing. My Valentine's red rum on the rocks, always rocking me from sanity to not. You be talking in my thoughts. You put your cool wet words on my skin and I oh so love it when you open up your mouth. And all my favorite colors slip out. You're such a vibrant thing. Whoa. You're such a vibrant thing. Whoa. You're such a vibrant thing. Whoa. You're such a vibrant thing. Love the colors of your voice, and seeing is believing. So you know I have no choice but to get lost in the contours of your tonsils. Cause I kinda sorta always wanted you around. I got a crush on your sound. What's your favorite flavor? Cause it's my favorite color too. It's true, I want your lips, and with the pink skies my witness, I'ma get them your digits, home phone and address. No, it's just yeses, cause I'm gonna go gung-ho, gonna for your heart and soul. You're the type of lovers loathe, cause you make hearts explode. Whoa, you're such a vibrant thing. 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 Whoa, 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 you're such a vibrant thing. From the basement. I hope it's everything expected.